Imagine waking up tomorrow, checking your bank account, and realizing 30% of your hard-earned money is just gone. You didn't spend it. You weren't hacked, but you've been completely robbed. This isn't a hypothetical nightmare. It's happening to your savings right now. And the government just calls it healthy economics. Welcome back to Sam Finance, where we expose the truth to keep your money safe. If you want to protect your wealth from this invisible thief, hit that subscribe button right now and turn on notifications. Because today, we are breaking down the biggest trap in modern financial history. Every single day, the mainstream media tells you inflation is only 3 or 4%. But let's look at real life. Think about what a basket of groceries, a tank of gas, or a health insurance premium cost you a few years ago versus what it costs today in 2026. Does that look like 4% to you? Not even close. So why are the official numbers so low? Because the government uses a manipulated metric called the Consumer Price Index. They conveniently swap out expensive, essential items to make the data look pretty. But if you calculate real-world lifestyle inflation, including housing, healthcare, and asset prices, your purchasing power is actually dying at a rate of 15 to 30% every single year. Now, here is the most terrifying part. Since childhood, you've been conditioned to believe, save your money, put it in a bank, and you'll be safe. But the brutal truth is, the financial system is designed to punish savers. If you have $10,000 cash sitting in a standard savings account, the bank might give you a pathetic 0.01% interest. But if real inflation is chewing away 25% of its value, by the end of the year, your 10 grand only buys what 7,500 used to buy. The number on your screen didn't change. It still says $10,000. But its power, its real-world value, has been slaughtered. You are becoming poorer without spending a single dime. Why? Because central banks are printing trillions of dollars out of thin air. And when you flood the market with paper, the dollars in your pocket turn into trash. So, what is the escape plan? Do we just sit there and watch our wealth burn? Absolutely not. To beat the invisible thief, you have to follow one golden rule. Stop hoarding cash and start owning scarce assets. You must transition your mindset from a saver to an investor. You need to park your money where the printing press cannot reach. Number 1, hard money, gold and Bitcoin. These assets have a strictly limited supply. When the currency is devalued, their dollar-denominated price naturally skyrockets. Number 2, productive equity, index funds. When inflation goes up, companies raise their prices. Their revenues grow. And as an equity owner, your capital grows right along with them. And number 3, real estate. Land and housing are finite. As inflation rages, both rental income and property values multiply aggressively. The rule of the game is simple. Either you become an asset owner, or you become a victim of inflation. There is no middle ground. If you choose to hold pure cash, you are choosing a guaranteed 30% tax on your wealth. Where are you keeping your capital right now? Cash, stocks, or hard assets? Drop a comment below and let me know. If this video opened your eyes, make sure to subscribe to Sam Finance. I'll see you in the next one. Keep investing and stay smart.